Which sentence should be deleted because it provides unrelated information? In order to identify which sentence provides unrelated information, we need to first establish what the topic of the paragraph is, or its main idea. As a quick review, the main idea of the passage is the central point that the passage conveys, and one which every sentence either leads up to, mentions, or expounds upon. The sentences of the paragraph may add details about this idea, support it, explain it, etc. Usually, but not always, the main idea can be found in the first sentence, otherwise known as the topic sentence. With this in mind, let's try and identify the main idea of this passage. Let's begin by taking a look at the opening sentence of our passage. When people ask me why I'm a stay-at-home dad, I'm usually too busy to answer. This sentence sets up our background information for us. The author is a stay-at-home dad, he's usually busy, and he gets asked why he chose this path. And indeed, we see the rest of the passage delve more into why he chose to be a stay-at-home dad and his general thoughts about being a stay-at-home dad. Having established this as our main idea, all we have left to do now is go through our choices and see which one doesn't relate to or add to this topic. A. Sentence 6. A walk in the park is a physical activity that provides mental health benefits. This sentence discusses walks as the previous sentence describes how the author would go to the park with his family on the weekend. It doesn't, however, give us a deeper understanding of what led the author to become a stay-at-home dad or any of the benefits of choosing this path. This sentence sticks out as veering off topic to discuss something unrelated to the matter at hand. This being the case, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at our other choices just to be sure. B. Sentence 9. I could do better. Taking a look at the previous sentence for context, we can see that the author is expressing the idea that he could do better in terms of his family life. And because this is one of the central reasons he decided to be a stay-at-home dad, we can see that this contributes to the main idea. Therefore, this choice can be marked as incorrect. C. Sentence 12. I have no idea how 2 working parents managed this year. This sentence reflects the author's satisfaction with his decision. Had he and his wife both been working, he doesn't know how they would have managed. Because he chose to stay at home, he was able to foster a more meaningful relationship with his children. Because this contributes to the main idea, this can be marked as incorrect. And D. Sentence 13. As a father, having the ability to be there when they needed me has made me feel stronger. Again, the author is expressing why he is happy he made the decision that he did. As this too connects back to our main idea, this can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer of choice A can be marked as our final answer.